this is an example of what you can accomplish when you get serious about content around this stuff. And so, in this case, this is SMUD, Sacramento Municipal Utility District in California. You're never going to beat SMUD, right? A giant utility with a big website, for the search term, SMUD heat pump rebates. But if you are on your game, and you're doing a good job with your content, you can be the first contractor in the search after the program. So you see this example: SMUD, and then you've got two contractors: air mechanical, and in this case, Fox Family HVAC. So that is you look at a page like that, very, very powerful way to kind of generate traffic, as well as to generate a significant presence. This is a little bit of kind of our data from Google Ads. And so this is what team pulled together today was about that sort of merged together the aggregate of 16 of our clients that are aggressively going after heat pumps in their Google Ads campaigns. And when the ads included information about rebates, incentives, we got a much more higher click-through rate and a much higher conversion rate than without. And so you can see the numbers. I don't have to necessarily go through them, but a impressive 7% click-through rate and impressive conversion rate. So what we're referring to here, and I'll show you an example in a minute, are ads in which the rebate is included in the ad copy, and pretty dramatic bumps in terms of how they perform.
To watch this full webinar and a complete archive of all Energy Circle webinars, visit energycircle.com/webinars.